Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kavu Creative. Today, we create Yin and Yang logo in Adobe Illustrator. We already made many video tutorials on logo. I recommend to watch my previous video tutorials. Link given into the description. Let's start. Select Ellipse tool from Tool menu. Left-click on Artboard and make 400 by 400 pixels circle. Make horizontal and vertical, align center. Fill color and stroke off. Again select Ellipse tool from Tool menu. Left-click on Artboard and make 200 by 200 pixels circle. Again left-click on Artboard and make 70 by 70 pixels circle. Fill color as white. Select both small circle and align center to medium circle. Select both and right-click and make group. Holding Shift plus Alt key and make its copy to right side. Again select both and right-click and make group. Select all and align to center. Select Shape Builder tool from Tool menu. Make shape according to our requirement. Now ungroup everything. Select Object and fill black color. Again select small circle to opposite side, and make it color black. Select Ellipse tool from Tool menu. Left-click on Artboard and make 400 by 400 pixels circle. Make stroke and fill off. Make it to center alignment. Increase stroke size. Select all and right-click and make group. Now holding Shift key and rotate it 90 degree. Now, it looks nice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks again.